Good day everyone. In previous video we have covered data sorting. Now we will cover conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature of OpenOffice Calc which enables you to highlight the cells in which we have entered the data with certain color depending on the cell's value. It is used to format the cell values with a specific format if they follow certain specified conditions. We need to enter the condition in order to format the cell values with the specific format. This is the definition of conditional formatting. Now, how to do conditional formatting? How to open conditional formatting dialog box. It is very important to learn. In menu bar, there is an option format. Click on format, then click on conditional formatting. A dialog box will open up like this. These are the steps for conditional formatting. Once I'll explain it with the pictures, then I'll read these subjects. When conditional formatting dialog box will open up, you need to select the cell value in condition 1. You can see here. Then you can see here equal to. There are many options like less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, less than. We can select any option of our choice. Here I have selected less than or equal to option. Cell value is less than or equal to. We need to specify some value in this text box like 70, 65, any value of your choice you can enter here. Then cell style, what type of style you want. There are 4 to 5 options in this drop down where default has been written, but I want a new style. Then you need to click over on new style. A dialog box will open up. This is a new dialog box. You can see here various options like numbers, font effect. Font means size of font, whether you want bold, italic, underline, alignment, border, background, cell protection. You can save this cell style with any name. We can do whatever changes we want, whatever the font effect we want to give by choosing different options. Once we done with it, we can click on OK. After doing all the settings, we can get the final result. Here I have mentioned the formatting which I have done is given to only those values those are less than or equal to 70. You can see here the values which are more than 70 has not been changed, but the values which are less than 70 has been changed. These are the steps. We need to learn these steps. Like first step is select this range of cells, means the data we have entered in the cells to which we want to apply the format. Second, select conditional formatting option in the format menu. Its dialog box will appear. Select condition 1 as cell value is, and then select the criteria we want to use. Now click the new style options and select the desired formatting using font effect tab for the first condition. Click OK button to close the dialog box. To add the second and third condition, repeat the above steps. Click OK button once all the required conditions are applied. I hope you understand how to do the conditional formatting and what conditional formatting is. Thank you.